The purpose of this video is to illustrate the importance of proper installation technique for getting optimal coverage and performance from Nu-Wool Premium Cellulose Insulation. Let's begin with the Nu-Wool company-recommended installation method. Next, we will show common errors and their overall effect on coverage. These errors include angling the hose down, cupping the hose opening, filling the entire cavity with an extended hose, and using an incorrect hose size for each scenario. For this demonstration, we will fill this box marked with attic rulers to ensure proper depth of cellulose. The box will also demonstrate how cellulose fills an area as it is installed. The hopper is one of the most important components for proper blown-in cellulose installation. Before beginning, make sure the hopper is clean and clear of any debris, including plastic product bags, tools, or other items. A 3-inch diameter hose will allow the material to tumble across the hose ridges, opening the product as it passes through. The condition of your hose affects coverage. Nu-Wool recommends reversing your hose halfway through its intended life cycle, replacing your hose on a regular basis depending on frequency of use. The standard guideline is to replace the hose after every 12,000 bags. To begin, the installer should hold the hose under one arm, with the other hand on the bottom part of the hose to help guide it. Angle the hose horizontally. Do not cover the hose opening. Set the air to between 2 and 3 to verify the product is blowing at 6 to 8 feet out of the end of the hose. And add 1 bag of Nu-Wool cellulose at a time. Maintain a consistent amount of material in the hopper, typically 6, with 9 being the maximum bags at a time. This pace helps maximize coverage. Check to make sure the air is adjusted to maintain the 6 to 8 foot trajectory of material. As you can see, the product has a large spread as it is blown, and there is a strong trajectory covering a large area at once. Installing blown-in cellulose using this method will maximize your coverage. The next few scenarios demonstrate a few of the common installation mistakes and how these variations can impact your final results. First, the importance of hose positioning when installing the product. A common mistake while installing is angling the hose downward. This mistake typically occurs when an installer is angling for placement. Angling the hose downward causes the material to compact as it hits the attic floor, decreasing the overall coverage of the product. The proper and recommended technique is to steadily move backwards or reposition yourself in the attic while keeping the hose horizontal or slightly up to loft the product. The second scenario shows the Nu-Wool recommended technique, but includes a mistake that we often see in the field: obstructing the flow of material by the installer's fingers and/or hand, referred to as cupping. Occasionally, cupping for directional control is acceptable. When the installer continues to cup for an extended amount of time, the product becomes compacted as it impacts against the installer's hand. As with the downward angle scenario, the proper technique is to move backwards or reposition yourself in the attic to provide a continuous fill with a horizontal hose or hose slightly tipped up to loft the product. Cupping can result in reduced coverage. Next, proper use of an extended hose will be examined. At times, it is necessary to extend the hose due to physical limitations, allowing you to reach the area needing to be insulated, such as the eaves. It is also necessary to prevent material from being accidentally sprayed behind the vent chutes. However, the majority of blowing to fill an attic should be done with the proper technique. Again, the proper technique is with the installer holding the hose steadily moving backwards with a 9 to 12 foot trajectory to loft the material. The final scenario shows the importance of using the specified 3-inch hose diameter. An incorrect hose size will prevent the material from properly opening as it passes through the hose. By using the properly maintained hose, you will maximize coverage of the product. Remember, minor errors can result in issues with coverage. Always use the Nu-Wool recommended technique to get the best results. For more information on blow-in cellulose or additional best techniques, visit nuwool.com or call 800-748-0128.